Everybody, excuse some background noises. That's my mama in her room right there talking on the phone. But I got my slime packet today. So let's get it opened. Oh, by the way, I got it from Puff. This is fake, also known as a spoof. This is not a real slime package. All the stuff in here is mine, like mine only. Just have to let you guys know that before the video started. Okay, bye. So I got it from Slime Collectors 31308. So yet again, Slime Collectors 30308. So yeah, and yeah. So let's get started. So I was trying to open this and I pulled off one of the strings right here. Oopsies. So let's open this and see what we have in here. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. There we go. Get this note. Okay. So let's read this note. It says, orange sherbet slime and extras. That's really bad spelling, but it's alright. So, set that note over there. So, in here we go. So the first thing I feel in here was this. Oh my god, that looks so weird. We'll do this after we do the extras. So, I'll set that there.